Hi, I want to tell you about this outdoor soundbar. This is by Samsung and it's called the Terrace, and that is the remote that goes with it. We have this accompanying our Samsung outdoor TV, which is also called the Terrace. So it matches the TV quite nicely. It's just about the exact same width. So this is weather resistant because of the plate on the back there. So it's weather resistant, water resistant, dust resistant, and it comes with those brackets to help you hang it from your TV. It has a built-in subwoofer, wireless, Bluetooth, multi-connection. You only need a single HDMI cable. We had a regular soundbar out here last year and it got ruined with our extreme weather that we get in our region. And so we got this outdoor soundbar with the built-in subwoofer, and we have not had a problem with it since we installed it. So this is a really good soundbar, comes with the remote. And again, it's weather resistant, water resistant, dust resistant, and it comes with those brackets to hang it. So we really do recommend this.